How to enable camera and microphone access on Samsung Galaxy S24, S24 Plus. Open the app drawer on your device. Tap the settings app. Now scroll down. Tap on security and privacy. Again scroll down at the end. Tap on additional privacy controls. Here you can see camera access and microphone access. Toggle on or toggle off it to allow or block the camera access on your device. Same for microphone access, toggle on or toggle off to allow or block the microphone access on your Samsung Galaxy S24, S24 Plus. Tap on access. So easy to enable or disable camera and microphone access on your Samsung Galaxy S24 series. That's it. If you like it, share it.